Oh my god, my weight has increased to 0.5 kgs than yesterday.
Don't worry. Well, there are a number of reasons why it has increased to 0.5 kgs in just one day. Well, number one, it can be just because of water retention. Depends on what kind of activities you had been doing yesterday. For example, you had a leg day yesterday at gym. That might give some variation. Then, in females, if your menstruation has ended, then that is a good day to take your weight again. Also, it can be because you did not have enough rest last night. You should have a good sound sleep before taking your weight in the morning the next day. What is your current weight? What is the correct way to measure your weight? How to measure your weight? There are a few important things that you need to consider before taking your real once weekly weight measures. To have an idea what is your current weight, stop doing it every now and then, like standing on the weight machine many times in a day. It is wise to stand on the weight machine just once weekly. Take it in the morning when you wake up and do it empty stomach before eating or drinking anything. Buy yourself a simple but a good weighing machine. Place it in your bathroom on a level surface. To measure your weight, the best time is to do it in the morning when you wake up. Get out of bed, go to your washroom. After emptying your bladder, stand on the weight machine undressed or with very light clothes on.